Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix registration error of Taimi. Now, if you are not being able to use Taimi or sign up for Taimi, then you need to simply watch this video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now, to fix the registration error, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or some kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or some kind of data, then you'll not be able to register on your Taimi dating account. So make sure that you are connected on it. So after that, you need to simply open settings on a device. On the settings, you'll see various options, or you'll see the settings page like this on your device also if you are an iPhone, but if you are an Android, you'll see different page. So under that, you need to click on the option of general, and you need to click on the option of iPhone storage. So under iPhone storage, you need to find the Taimi app. So you may scroll down, or you may simply search on the search box. So currently I'm scrolling down. So as you can see, the option of offload is on Taimi. So click on the option of offload and click on the option which says offload. So by offloading the app, it will help you to fix the box error which is happening on the app, and also help you to clean the space used by Taimi. So after doing that, you need to click on the option of reinstall app to again reinstall it on your device. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you need to simply uninstall the app from your device, and you need to simply reinstall it again from App Store. So to uninstall, simply long press on the app and you'll see the option of delete app. So click on it and you'll be able to. Now if that doesn't help, then you need to simply restart your iPhone or your Android device to fix the box error which is happening on your Taimi registration process. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.